It's not cottage anymore.
It's Palace now, man. Yep. Hey, my friend Joe here, he came around here yesterday, you know?
Yeah.
Oh my
Where's
God.
that Joe?
Yeah man. Cozy,
There's a Palace.
Palace,
If he told you want to see Lulu on the floor.
What is on the floor?
Yeah.
The Lulu down on the floor.
Joking. When I get colors, tell them I give it the floor.
Yeah, the Lulu down.
That colors full of talk, you know. Tell them make name.
Donors, it's so beautiful.
Wait now again.
Lulu them with the girls them put it on the floor for me.
Gloria, so I have $18,000 for you. Got $18,000 for you from Lizzie, Miss Lizzie, from Broccoli, London, and she said this is towards your Christmas. So Larry count it for her.
Tell them Lizzie, thanks, Broccoli, thanks. You go to the DreamTeam and make it possible for us, no?
Yeah, Gloria, Miss Lizzie. Tell Miss Lizzie thanks.
Miss Lizzie, thanks a lot. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes.
Yeah. Chicken for Uka steppers. Yeah. Step in the razor.
See you there, okay.
Liquor. What do them see?
It's alright.
Curry with the chicken food. Step in razor.
That's a good chef there, you know?
Yeah, that's a very good chef. Alright.
I nearly hit the box just now.
You nearly what?
I nearly hit the box.
You eat nice.
Oh my gosh. Yes, man, and curry is my favorite.
Oh, chicken food.
Very good chef, bro.
Yeah, man.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry.
Our name DreamTeam.
Okay.
What else?
Whoa, so many pretty, man.
Where am I going to go?
So I put them right over there.
Oh, our one here.
Yeah, I see ladies them. What? Yeah.
No, not that.
Oh, not that one then. The big one then. That's the big one.
Other one you may talk.
Okay, yeah. Take it out and hold up so I see it. Yeah. No, like that. 2, 4, 6, yeah. Oh. So what kind of design you call these? What type of design are these?
It's vases, they're vase. Can use indoor.
Oh. So you put like what
Artificial flowers in this one.
artificial flowers.
Yeah.
Anything of your choice there.
Yeah, and this one you can put it on a veranda. You can put real flowers in it.
Oh, so this one you're going to veranda. They look nice. So and the rest of them is the same thing?
Yeah, just different colors.
Jella, which one you like, Jella? Which one? This one. Alright, there it is. The six that, right? And who you say is coming from?
Miss D from London.
Oh, Miss D from London. And she said it's for the ladies then,
Yeah,
right?
the Dream Team ladies
The
and
Dream-
yourself.
Yeah, so Jella, she's one of the Dream Team ladies. Esther and Liquid, come here, oh, baby there. Baby. So what me have to go find out from her? Yeah. This is from Miss D from London for the Dream Team ladies then. Yeah, so it's 6. Hello. So we have Miss D from London. We order these for the ladies them. Okay. And she said this, right?
Yeah.
Jella chose the orange already. So yeah, the ladies, I want to thank Miss D from London for this vase.
Thank you very much, Miss D from London. Really appreciate it. Merry Christmas when it come and Happy New Year.
Yeah, Jenna.
Thanks, Miss D, for the bar. I really appreciate it. May the good Lord bless and keep you safe.
Thank you very much for the balls. They look so beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss
Lord
D.
bless you.
Thank you, Miss D, for the bars.
Yeah.
You're so wonderful, just like how you wonderful. Father God bless you and keep you all the days of your life. All of the donors.
Alright then, so yeah, we give thanks. And what's your name again?
Alicia.
This is Alicia, she's the one that made them. So it's her design, everything. So if anybody see it and like it, where they can contact you?
Contact me at 1876-347-6846.
So you can repeat it again for them.
1876-347-6846.
Alright then, I will thank you so
My
much.
IG is Alicia Superior Vase.
So the IG, so
Alicia Superior Vase.
okay, so you can go and check it out. As you can see the beauty. I know they never nice for a veranda. Jella chose the orange. You know why they chose the orange thing?
Come out of the box so they can see the color.
Yeah, so Jella chose orange. Yeah. Yeah, man. Put some artificial flowers in them, right? Yeah. Yeah, okay. So all mine is good. Both, show. Yeah, both, Jella, both. Two son.
You guys in here, right?
Oh yeah, bullshit. Yeah. Yeah. That's a gold, brown, and black. Alright then, so this is it. So we're gonna thank Lady D. So Bibi, Liquor, Esther and Smiley and Jella. Well, Natisha is not here yet. Natisha has gone on the road to come back. So Jella have a choice already.
Yeah.
Baby have a choice.
I'm never there.
Smiley, you have to make your choice now.
That one day. It's
Liquor, you make your choice as well. Esther.
silver, one's a silver.
Okay. So I'm see what boil on to where Natisha will get. So alright then, so we have Jenna gonna take up hers. And we're gonna thank Miss D, Lady D from the UK. So we're gonna thank Lady D from the UK. Let me take it up.
From the UK, wow. Thank you very much, lady. I can't even manage it.
You can't manage it?
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, it's so heavy.
So Jenna, wow.
It's so gorgeous. Thank you very much, lady.
Yeah.
From our flowers plant.
So you can plant a mango tree tonight, right?
Wow. Air mango tree. They plant the air mango tree.
In the house.
My house.
Here, mango tree. Julie.
Oh yeah, baby.
Thank you very much, Lady B. From the UK, your food basket never empty.
Take it up, take it up. Kajela can manage for that one.
Thanks to the early birthday present. Thank you very much. Birthday present and Christmas present in our one.
Yeah.
Remember
Come and Smiley. Smiley can't live up for that one. That year, which one you take?
Which one?
Esther.
No, Esther.
Oh, other one there. Okay.
Alright then. It's Lady B.
Lady D.
Lady D from the UK. Thank you very much. It's very much appreciated. Thank you.
So this is what Smiley choose. Smiley can manage. Oh, Joe, you can do some Smiley for me. That you can't manage it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Take it, Joe.
Lady D.
Yes, you can manage.
Alright, okay.
So Joe a carrot over for you. So you have liquor. Liquor take the color, the polka dot, all type of that. I call it splash.
Thank you, Lady D. Many love, many grateful. And oh, Father God bless you and keep you right through the December one coming. All of the donors. Big up myself, Oliver and Carla. One love.
Yeah. Bumming ball.
Last but not least.
Last not but least. Want to make a good choice on the right one leave for my fish.
Thanks, Lady D, for the Christmas and the birthday gift.
Yeah.
Really appreciate it.
Don't drop it, you know.
No, baby, the 24th of my birthday.
24th of what? This month?
December, yeah.
Oh, Eve, mean.
When we can plant this, Jella? When we can plant?
Banana tree. Can plant a banana tree?
Plant apple. Banana?
Yeah, I'm putting it in the room.
I'm going to plant banana tree.
I'm putting it in the room.
Yeah.
So, we have the last one but not least for Natish. And I want to fit Natish house. The same color but up on our house as well. Same color for Natish. Natish is not here yet. Say.
On behalf of Natish, thank you, Lady D, for this token for Natish. God bless you all. Big up all our donors then.
Yeah, then so on the clap Lady D for the Christmas gift.
I'm keeping it safe every time.
Every time, dream team, one team. Oh. Governor.
Yeah,
Yeah, mash up some ackee.
yeah, they are big so happy, you know.
So you cook for wife in idea.
Tomorrow morning if you have breakfast, you know.
Our breakfast is
Yeah,
Yes,
I
sir.
look out if I know, you know.
ackee for breakfast with Gloria. Good husband this, you know.
Sometimes she don't want to eat it too, you know.
Eh?
Sometimes she tell me she don't want it when me have Charlie, I would deal with it, you know. They say, why? You want something different, you know.
When you actually prepared from a day before you.
It's period, man.
Present
Sometimes I tell say, I look boy, say, Paul, Larry, hear me, change the menu. Sometimes I say, boy, you're lucky, you know, you have to deal with that. We don't talk about it already. Now we have to change your mind.
Yeah.
That's how it go, you know.
Yeah, but at least you have the patience and the love to see me
Yeah.
change it. Yeah, some man can't bother, you know, so you have to eat that or buy something else. But really, some change it, you know. I got donation for her, you know, so. Yeah. So she will come check now, so you know, so like when you're there, you can get a donation. Yeah, you can open a veranda there. Yeah. Pluck out the last one.
Yeah?
We have to pluck out the last one. We just start. We're not done for now then.
Yeah, now we're done, you know.
Alright, so we'll go to her. Gloria!
Yeah.
Oh, I go on.
Yeah, man.
I go and get some fresh air.
Yeah. I like gun for yourself on last.
Yeah, like gone from last night, man. After the thunder, the cold. Darkness. But colors of light, man. See, man, also blink colored.
That way, yeah, you get to life on it.
The colors rose that, you know, that's the back part, the colors
Get to light still, you know. from the nearby, you know.
Okay.
We have a TV can run on.
Yeah.
Cook pan and stuff.
Okay.
You plug in the fridge, you know.
The man always say live good with the neighbor, you know.
Yeah, well.
I used to when times like these,
Alright.
when you live good with the neighbors, you can get little light, even little salt, little sugar.
You see.
I like Gloria, I used to come in for salt and sugar too. He used to come in and know. Yeah, bouquet.
One day, Bookie jump up and it's a blue pango. So we say, well, he said, in our feed up, and I said, mother, I have to mix it up, sugar water, give you.
I'm tough, you know, when I'm younger, you know.
Get the pump, brush up him.
Brush it off like nothing ever.
So my father and go tell mother.
Bookie tough for them young man. I used to call them man alligator skin, man. The mother used to call him, you know, alligator skin, because them man the skin raw. And them always in the dirt.
Yeah.
I want to
You just see me up there, have a stone.
Yeah.
A piece of wood. Yeah, a piece of iron.
Yeah, pay dark clothes, because the man ever dirty. No matter you just beat him, you look, the man ever in the dirt. Rough.
Man, you know, bring that to bring a bag of plum.
Yeah, that's a plum you get in there.
Woman told me see a bag of plum.
On the table.
Yeah.
Pure plum, because as morning so, I in that in the yard, I pick up plum. So the man around feed plum, I tell us that I should have eaten me and plummy. And give plum a bouquet.
So 3 times when the baby come, when the baby buy me and him plummy.
Plummy, because I be a plum. I feel beautiful. So how plummy, as the day attack?
No, I mean they are sleeping up.
I'm not sleep.
I'm not even know what to eat, I just. And sometimes I eat, sometimes I don't eat and all that thing there. More time kind of keep it, so to keep it, I just say, so make it more and see.
Yeah.
If I mean, I say, out and do me have to want a wish party.
Yeah. Because more time get up and walk on.
Alright.
I will do that again.
And see worse if anything, you should know what go on at more time.
Yeah.
Every time then think they go on and if they road, me have to go walk and go
Yeah, and look for him.
Because one night I hunt, me have to go hunting, go walk, you know where me go find him, man. You know, a corner, they should stamp in like that.
Stand up in that dark.
So we really don't get that.
And shut it off fire same time.
Shut no more too long fire, say my boy, look up. It's a Congo, man. In the darkness, and police come now, see him, say I shot you, I'm going to or something. I'm glad when I'm keeping it, keeping it better for me.
True. Gloria, so I have $18,000 for you. Got $18,000 for you from Lizzie, Miss Lizzie, from Broccoli, London, and she said this is towards your Christmas. So Larry, count it for her.
Tell them Lizzie, thanks, Broccoli, thanks. You go to the DreamTeam and make it possible for us, you know?
Yeah. Miss Lizzie. Tell Miss Lizzie thanks.
Miss Lizzie, thanks a lot. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.
Yeah. So Larry, count it so them sees 18,000. $18,000, and that's from Lizzie. So all heap of blessings and all heap of thanks, Lizzie.
Thanks to them.
Yeah.
To the DreamTeam, make it possible.
Then then governors go and do the right thing, right? Alright, now Gloria. So you have Aki for breakfast tomorrow.
Yeah.
Don't change your mind, you know. Time so you always change your mind at the last.
What's a sheet? Louis sheet. Louis curtain. What's up? Ready? Chanel. No, thing, man. Why police?
Where's the colors?
I just wake up after the job was in bed, bro. Yeah, but I was so hungry after get up, go get something to eat, bro.
Yeah, I can see that. I see you eating.
I told the donors them, you know. I told you people, whenever time I'm in that jacuzzi bed there, I just can't wake up.
Sure.
I sell people last night, you know. Yeah, man, they gave me £1.
Wow.
Yes.
It's a UK flight?
You know, some send a picture of me and one of your friends here, Lukey. He came in last week Friday, gave me £20, man.
Okay.
The man almost crying, you know.
Yeah.
Man, I say, him too much, the best colors, you know. He's on Kino program. You want to see something with a man buy, hustle and buy at the airport.
Yeah.
Buy in cottage. He almost cried, you know. Give me £20. And then I got pound also last night, bro. Yo, I some donors. I don't hear nothing yet. I eat the food. When Kino came around the cottage.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So we're gonna make you finish eat the food first then.
You're gonna let me finish? Okay, so.
Because the best thing, because you say you just wait, because you want to eat.
Donors.
More you eat first.
Which is right.
So when you finish eat now.
Okay.
You show them your cottage. But we say I'm not cottage anymore.
Excuse me?
But you told me it's not cottage anymore.
It's palace now, man. Yep. Hey, my friend Joe here, he came around here yesterday, you know?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Where's Joe?
Yeah man. Cozy,
There's a palace.
Palace, you know?
If he told you want to Lulu on the floor.
What on the floor?
Yeah.
The Lulu on the floor.
Joking. You wanna get colors, tell them I give it on the floor.
Yeah, the Lulu on
that color's full of talk, you know. Tell them my name.
Donors, it's so beautiful.
Wait there again.
Lulu on them. The girls them put it on the floor for me.
That aluminum, aluminum.
Yeah, it's very pretty. Oh my gosh.
Yeah man, it left from a cottage to a palace.
Yeah. Right, no, with the little on the ground.
It left from a cottage to a palace.
Donors, you're gonna see Louis Vuitton sheet, Chanel curtain, Gucci curtain.
All designs. All designs. And that aluminum is Raphael.
And on way up on the floor again, colors.
Aluminum.
Yeah.
The girls put it on for me yesterday, though.
You know.
Yeah.
I said the aluminum website.
Yeah.
It's Armani.
Armani.
Lelo in it too.
That's a Lelo in it too.
It's that kind of Rasta color like. When you came around here, you can see me.
Armani.
Giorgio.
You have the Chanel curtain and the what else?
The Gucci.
The Gucci mattress, bed, sheet, and the Armani aluminum.
Then guess I know, Kino. Alright, you see, we have a sheet to put on the jacuzzi bed Saturday.
Yeah.
So you see like the next Saturday now, we have a different set of curtain gonna match and next sheet set.
Yeah.
Anyway, donuts.
You soon see what took place.
All right.
Anyway, donuts.
I'm just eating something.
I don't know what to say, no, but I want to make this man one of the happiest man in the world.
Right. Sure.
Whatever I want to do for him, I want to make him one of the happiest man in the world. Even if it's sad, I want to give him back him happiness.
Yeah.
Straight up.
Sure.
Is he still videoing?
Yeah.
Okay, Kino. You know, that's why the people who watches me and your program, they just want to come to Jamaica and they get out the plane, they step outside and they saw me, especially the ladies, screaming. They saw colors. They say, "Wow, colors!" The first thing, you know. Are you? Why? What are we gonna stop talking about the jacuzzi bed? This is when me take out my phone out, Kino, and say, now they say no colors. You ain't have to show anything. We know everything. I say you're kidding.
They watch everything.
They know colors. We watch the program. We watches you every day.
Yeah, man. It's like we resurrect him back. You know?
Yeah.
It's like he did die. I'm gonna bring him back alive.
I'm bringing back alive.
We resurrect him.
Yes, resurrect him.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna bring him back alive. Straight up.
The color say, yo, wait till they get around the cottage. I mean, not cottage anymore, it's a palace.
Right now, it's one of the happiest man this, and it's all because of Uno, the donuts. They make him so happy in life now.
Sure. Okay, colors don't know if to thank them. Alright, then colors, can I make you finish here so we don't need now, we can show the donuts they want to go on, right? Alright then.
Now for you job, you know, we can eat half and then cover up, you know?
Yeah. Any amount you want to eat. Any amount.
Sure.
Colors, where you go? Oh, okay.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm getting some food colors.
Oh, you getting some food?
Yeah. I'm getting some food colors, man. Come see how the chicken foot, but you know when I eat chicken foot.
She's getting some food here, bro.
Yeah, man.
Watch it,
See there. So I say people feel look, man, they look for me. Straight. Sure, some salt mackerel. Curry powder special. You see there? Salt mackerel and rice with the peas. And little one chicken foot. Sure.
Christmas now, joking my team here. Yes, everything is now. No part. Right, man, man. You see me? How you think look?
Top.
Presentable, man.
Top, man. Well presentable. And you don't have to do it for the camera. I say you don't have to do it for the camera because I saw it always look.
I see it always come and they say 1 3 man.
Yeah.
I think look just like that, man.
Justify, man.
Yeah, do not much at all.
Alright.
Yeah, do break and sweat for you. That way I tell you.
Chicken for Uka steppers. Yeah. Step in the razor.
See there, okay.
Liquor. What do them see?
Yeah.
squirrel with the chicken foot. Second razor.
That's a good chef there, you know.
Yeah, that's a very good chef.
I nearly hit the box just now.
You nearly what?
I nearly hit the box.
Wait, nice.
Oh my gosh. Yes, man, and curry is my favorite.
Oh, chicken foot.
Very good chef, bro.
Yeah, man.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.